Good morning. Let's get ready to go to church. That's the dress for today. Colorful. Welcoming the spring. Let's just put the earrings. I might put a cardigan over it because it's a little bit chilly still outside. I just put my hair in a bun. Well, not a bun, a ponytail. Cute red ponytail. So there you go, just really simple. Let's go. A park here?
Huh?
A park?
A park?
Yeah, or we walked somewhere here.
At the Gracie. What? At the Gracie. Where at the Gracie's? You know, at the Gracie's house?
Maybe.
Oh no.
I don't know.
I like to move. I like to read. I like to
Jesus loves me, yes I know, for the Bible tells me so.
I know the good songs.
What did you guys sing? Can you sing You Are My Sunshine
No.
from school?
I'm done.
You are my sunshine, you are my sunshine, you make me happy, skies are gray, you'll never know dear how much I love you, please don't take my sunshine away. It's some pinakbet. Yummy. Hey, we've been waiting for you. Hi, baby. We've been waiting for you.
Hi. Where's Miguel?
Is he hiding? Take me out. Tell him. Take me for a ride. Katak mo tama ko. Ano ko ba mo? What you think? No. I'll do half.
Mommy, how much some watermelon?
Very nice.
You get a prize.
You get. Maybe mano.
Oo. Simulog na tayo alas 9, nag-start na.
Ay, nalaw daw suna second shift.
10 o'clock dun sa nag-start ng
He went like 11.
Hindi naman alas 9.
Maybe if he gets done early. He's not done yet, Neng?
Gumilis dun sa order. Baka pick up daw.
So, okay, jaba. Baliktad.
Tinogrami ka tayo. customized item. Pero nag-recap kami ni DJ Awan DJ location. Kasi di
Double time ka mo tatay. And tomorrow, right?
Malita ka sa putaan na lang.
Malita nga nagrugi nagtrabaho, alas 4 na nga nagrugi ng dadji pa dadji na kailang awan ko sa order, nagrugi order alas 4. No, so at lagi sa mga dessert, yan natin yung mga ravioli, yan yung singang adelante, lechon na may siyangan,
Ay, Daddy. Adeline. Yeah.
Wow. I'll put this inside. Let's go. I'll bring this in. On nga, Rod. Red fish. Yummy, yummy fish. Smells good. Let's eat.
Kita dindong para na tara. Kami ng sigo na ito. Alumino. Kami nagara ng sigo pa. Tabi.
should be there.
Because I want to get the gloves. I can get them. I can get them.
No, isunahan na ng tagsisari.
Yeah, hanga naman ito. Detox na. Give him the ball. Give the ball.
Oh, what's your head?
Give the ball.
No. Stress you.
Dahil may stress na mo. Ako ni stress sila yun.
Miggy, don't do that,
Give
na.
the Miggy.
Miguel.
Na-stress ka niya.
Na-stress na si Manong.
Na-stress na si Manong.
Kulot ng kamot.
Manong kulot. Manong kulot. Ay. Ang muna pandingan doon na di summer man yan. August.
Hindi na tayo nakamibay. Nagbayad ka ng meetings. Dapat talaga sarili nga doon. Na nakabaybayan.
Paungan na lang.
Iso na nakabaybayan.
Smart yung makikita ka.
Hello. Malak.
That's what I want.
Budak again. Ito to discount yun? Happy nga siya. Hindi kayo mapandi truck stop.
Saan? Hindi ka na diesel?
Yeah. Kapay nga siya.
So pa yung discount. So yung points ko di ba? Jay,
Oo,
Home Depot. Ngay, Jay. Home Depot.
Awan, nasa ulo mo. Hindi po minarch.
Siya.
Otoson!
Oo.
Tumaya niya. Di ba? 18 quarts. May sagalot at ta. Patakong gawa ng bigate ka, Jay. Ta, di points. Ako gagulpi. Ilan daw, kumata ka.
Tama ka ba? Amang kaman, clap?
Ang kumuha ko. Ang kumuha, kwarta mo dito.
Yeah. Asa na ba?
It looks good.
Kasi yung bumibigan.
Mud flap.